Connect more with Cable Matters products. Transform your USB-C port into a multifunction docking station with dual HDMI video, audio, USB, Ethernet, and an SD memory card reader. All this over a single USB-C port. Dynamically configure the dock settings with a simple switch. Place the dock in the stand for a clutter-free desktop, then simply connect it to AC power, turn it on, and plug in your computer. Select the 4K setting to connect dual 4K HDMI monitors. Mirror or extend your screen with UHD video support. Select the HD setting to connect dual HD monitors. The HD setting manages to dock bandwidth to maximize the data transfer rate. Easily back up important files over a gigabit Ethernet network. Connect a USB wireless mouse dongle or transfer files from a USB-A flash drive when your computer only has USB-C. Transfer files from a flash drive or external hard drive with USB 3.1 Generation 2 support for 10 Gbps, twice the speed of USB 3.0. Import files from a UHS 2 SD card at twice the speed of a UHS 1 card. Charge a USB-C smartphone and sync files to your desktop. All this over a single USB-C port. Compatible with computers, laptops, and smartphones that support video over USB-C. Some devices may only support one display. Beautifully designed and carefully engineered to be powerful, versatile, affordable, and easy to use. Consult our knowledge base for technical support or send us an email for more information.